In a peaceful village nestled among the hills, 3 wise monkeys lived. Mizaru, who covered his eyes, Kikazaru, who covered his ears, and Iwazaru, who covered his mouth. They were known throughout the land for their wisdom and kindness. One day, a young boy named Ali approached them with a troubled heart. I see people doing wrong things, hear hurtful words, and sometimes I say things I regret, he confessed. Mizaru gently said, Dear Ali, choose not to see the bad in others. Focus on their good deeds. Kikazaru added, Avoid listening to gossip and negativity. Let your ears hear only kindness. Iwazaru concluded, Speak words that heal, not hurt. Your voice has the power to bring joy. Ali thanked the wise monkeys and promised to follow their advice. From that day on, he became a beacon of positivity in the village.